Welcome to the Doodle Dojo! In today's episode, we're diving into the world of superheroes as we sketch out the iconic head of none other than Spider-Man himself. Are you ready? Let's do this! We start at the top of the head, create a curved line down like this. Then go all the way down, but at the end, taper in a bit to create the curve of the chin. Create a curved line for the chin itself. Then go up and curve out a bit, then a little bit straighter all the way up. Top off the head like this, and we have ourselves the start of Spidey. Next up, the eyes. Start a bit below the middle of the head and create a curved line up and then to the right. Let's recreate the same line, but on the left side. Go back to the right eye and create a line, going down and coming into the left, and then up to finish the shape. Do the same of the left. We go back to the right eye to create the eye sockets. Create a curved line to about here. Same on the left side. Then finish of the shape, coming down and then to the left. And on the left side, coming down and to the right. Now to finish up the head, we're going to create the famous web texture. Create a straight line coming down from the center of the head. Stop at the middle and create a curved line going down to the right, just above the point of the right eye, and do the same to the left. From the top of the head, create a slightly curved line down. And on the left side, coming down and to the right. Now create a short line here, and here on the other side. Go back to the middle of the head and create a line, going down a bit and stop in the middle. Do the same on the right to finish of the shape. From this center point, come down and curve out a bit. Same here, go down and curve out. Back to the center point, create a curved line to here. And the same on this side. Then two short lines, here on the right and on the left. Finish the web texture with these curved lines, starting small, then the one on the outside. On the top, the same. Start at about the middle of the eye and create a curve to the middle. Do the same on the left side. Okay, almost done. Create a last curved line from here to here, and we're done. I'm eager to find out how your Spideys have turned out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Till next time at the Doodle Dojo.